So I've opened up vectr.com, the link that you've got on the PowerPoint. You see it says use online. You need to click on that and then wait while it goes through onto the program. There's two ways. You can either just use it straight away without signing up, in which case I'll show you that in a minute. But if you use it like that, you cannot save your work. So if you want to save your work, you need to sign up. So you click on the sign up one, use your school email address, choose a password and sign up. Remember your password. We will be using this one again in future. There we go. I'm afraid there are some adverts at the side, but you can ignore those. What we're going to start with is by clicking on the help button, the I button, and go to lessons, and in this box there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lessons that you can do. I need you to start on the get started. Now, because I already have an account, I'm already logged on, so I've got two of the things. But if I go back to the getting started, there is a video you can watch. It's worth doing that. It gives you the time, 3 minutes. Get started. And then it's just instructions. You can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stages. Clicking the ellipse tool. If I need to see what to actually do, I can click on the show me. Otherwise, click on the ellipse tool, click and drag. So it is click the mouse button down, drag to draw the shape, and then release the mouse button. And as soon as you've released the mouse button, it will tell you whether you've done it right. And now it will show the click to tool pen. Click once to insert. So we can click, draw a line, click, draw another line, click, draw another line, click, and if you notice it says press enter to stop. So when I press enter, it stops drawing and it tells me I've done it correctly. The pencil tool is slightly different. This is freehand. So now, while I've got my mouse button held down, I can draw freehand shapes however I want to. And you'll notice if I join the shape up to the end, it went solid. And as soon as I release the mouse button, it tells me that's okay. Text, again, just click and drag and then type in the text. And when you've finished, you just click somewhere else on the screen and it says OK. To upload an image, click on that button, find a photo, here's one I was working on anyway, and just open it up and it places it in there. Pre-made shapes, we can just choose a shape. Let me go for the envelope one, and I can just click and drag on the screen to open up the pre-made shape. Exporting. Now this is useful. If you've been working, this is your way of keeping your work or a copy of your work. So we'll click on the export item. We can choose the page, the size. Now PX stands for pixels, that's the little squares. We can choose the format. PNG or JPEG are normal picture ones. SVG means we can edit it later on if we need to import it back. And I can download it to my laptop. Now my laptop downloads by default into my N drive, but I can see it with another one. When you finish that one, we can close the export. There we have, we've done it right. We've finished that, and we can just move on to the other lessons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lessons. That's all I'm expecting today. Let's start with a new file then. If I click on the help, I can go to tutorials, and eventually we will use the typographic and the logos tutorials to do further things.